Hello everyone. So today I'm very excited to share this abstract pencil drawing art that I have created using a combination of some graphite pencils and soft charcoal pencil and a retractable eraser which comes in a ball pen form. So it took me around four hours to complete this art. 1 hour I spent per day, so overall 4 5 days it took me to complete this. It's a true mixture of patience and creativity. You can see it, and if you like it, please do share your feedback, whether you like it or dislike it. Your feedbacks and your thoughts are always welcome. Well, it's a freehand art, easy to draw, and you do not have to follow or copy a predefined structure. Just start sketching with free hands. Like I have used 2B pencil to draw the sketch first. You do not have to follow any structure as I told you. Well, to smoothen the shades and spread the shadows evenly, I have blended it using a tissue paper. You can see that here. It really helps achieve a soft natural gradient. So I have used 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B graphite pencils depending on how deep or how soft I wanted the shadows part to be. Okay, so for the areas where the flow is twisting or turning, I have used a soft charcoal pencil to add a darker tone or to add a more dramatic effect. So and then using this regular eraser, I have added the highlights to create a satin like shine. So wherever you want to add some shinier part, just use your eraser firmly and erase that darkened part. Okay, so it actually makes it feel like some light is gently falling on the surface. So this is an artwork that represents an abstract flow. Some of you might think that this is emotions in the motion, or some of you might think that okay, this is a long satin ribbon which is flying without any direction. So for me, it's just a flow and just going with the flow where the lines are twisting, they are reminding me of something which is unexplored in the life. Oh my god, I'm getting poetic here. Well, the shape that you see that you have created at the very first time, it's not final. You can keep adding the twist and depth wherever your imagination takes you to. Thank you for being with me. Thank you so much.